bought this Autoro EP7 point of view camera to see if I could make the gold digs a bit more convenient for me and maybe more interesting for the viewers. Anyway, it fits around your head like that. Obviously, if you've got your fly screen on, it's in the way, but generally speaking, it's better for me because it's just a quick click on, can start detecting, click off, you know, when I need to do it, rather than having to go and set the phone up, carry a little tripod. Anyway, these next 2 or 3 videos I've used it. The colour isn't quite as good as what the iPhone does, but let us know in the comments if you think that it's a better way of doing it, or whether the little tripod is the best, or you don't even care about it anyway. Okay, thanks. Let me know. Just come to a new area. I say a new area. I've been here before and never had any luck, and I'm not saying I'm going to have any luck now, but I found I've got a sort of nice sweet sound here. It sounds goldy. I'll scratch it out a little. Let's see what it gives. Very soft. Very soft. Although there is a bit of gravel under it. Okay. Still there. There. This is just ground noise. Oh yeah. Now it sounds a bit like it. I always think it sounds like tin. I think it would do. Doesn't sound like tin. I think it is there. I think that's it there. No. Oh yeah, it is. There you go. Complete waste of time. Oh well, I've went up this creek, down this creek, and I was actually giving up. I was going back to the car, which is just over there. I got a signal here. Sounds like aluminium, but well, give it a go. It's got an aluminium sound. See if it's out. Still in. Oh, it's so bloody humid this morning. We got about 3 mils of rain last night, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's already about 28 degrees. This camera, obviously everything's getting in the way of it. Still there, I think you can hear it. Okay, I haven't found anything in this area before, so it's out. Yep, okay, calling it for junk. Lead, maybe. Okay, have a go at scooping it. Probably every cable, everything's in your way. Okay, the scoop. I know what the issue is. This isn't it. Let's see it. It's gold. There it is. There it is. Can you see that? Give it a lick. Yep, not bad. Nice little bit. Thank goodness. There we go. I'm going to film this one, not because I think it's gold, because it's like what I'm filming it for, it's like a double sound, which would probably mean 2 bits of crap, but we'll see. Well, not quite sure what it could be. I like to try and pick the targets before I dig them, but I can't with this one. Now, I won't get on the shadow side. I'm learning how to do this a bit better. to go too deep because it might be something on the surface. Still there. Oh, you can see the flies. They're probably landing on the camera. Well, still got that double sound. Now, I'm using an X-Coil concentric, not the standard double D coil, which will give a double sound. These don't normally. Well, I've had it before. We dug her out. Okay. Oh, something there. Move around it. I thought I had it pinpointed. You know, when they move around like this, it usually means it's screen wire. See what I can pinpoint it better. Take my time. So why is it back here now? Here. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very strange. Let's put them together. Okay. The sun's that way. I'll do it that way. Well, something. Does it sound like gold? No. Get definitely screen wire or something. What's this bit? Yep. See, it's flaky bits of metal, like rusty can. Oh no. No, it's not. It's bloody gold. It's just flat like a bit of tin. Oh, well, there you go. Shiny too. Alright. Let's see if there is 2 bits there, because I'll just check it. I thought there was a double signal. No, so it must have just been the fact that it was so flat. Oh, that's good. We're on the board for today. Oh well, I just started in this little bit of ground here. I'll keep going.